finally the packages are arriving. That's a lot of fun. So, let's see what we got first. Let's cut this one first. I have no clue. Let's see what's inside. Oh, nice. 3mm LEDs. I needed those for some Lego things I was doing. Fun. Okay, Kiko, get ready. We got the LEDs. And now let's see what's in bag number 2. It's a bit tight here, so let's try to peek in. That will be the guess. Oh yes, I've ordered a new Arduino Uno because I needed one for kids' toys. I keep on stealing his Uno, and after telling him that his game is broken just because of keeping on stealing it. So, okay, a brand new one. It looks nice, really nicely done. Yep, really nicely done. Nice work. I prefer the 16U2 and the, of course, the tip chip. Just I prefer them this way. Let's make a good use, the first good use for this. Use it as a 5-volt supply. This is exactly how I imagine it. Oh, that is really brilliant. Yes, hold on. I'm gonna turn it off and switch off. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. I try and move the camera really slow here. Wow. Really nice. It was worth the wait. Very nice. And I got another cable. Excellent. So, 2 out of, I don't know, I think 14 orders has arrived. So brilliant. I hope soon you will have some more Lego lights coming up. Yeah, that'll be fun. Alright, thank you for watching.